Can you imagine living in a world where living to 150 is common, where all of our lives across the planet are powered by abundant clean energy, and where a flight from Los Angeles to Tokyo takes less than 4 hours? This may sound like science fiction to you, but it's actually reality here today and now. At Prime Movers Lab, we're investing in cutting-edge breakthrough scientific startups that are transforming billions of lives in these exact areas.
Starting Idea Lab 25 years ago, I have worked with more than 300 VC firms. I feel I can unequivocally say Prime Movers Lab is my favorite firm to work with. They are physicists and engineers. They really can look at our capabilities, our product, and our execution and challenge us in a way that helps us make better decisions.
The history of the technology and venture capital industries is a series of waves. In the past 20 years, we've seen the internet wave, the social wave, the mobile wave, enterprise software. Those waves have already eaten the world. It is now time for deep tech, breakthrough science, where those advances in computing power are making it possible to revolutionize the physical world and the biological worlds. As this new era of scientific startups is transforming the way we live across energy, transportation, infrastructure, manufacturing, agriculture, and human augmentation, we are focused on solving the biggest problems at a global scale. Our multi-stage approach lets us nurture companies from the seed stage all the way to the process of going public.
Their focus, their obsession on finding technologies, companies that have unlimited upside, and then making sure they bring the resources they need to the table have really set them apart. And they also have access to some of the most amazing opportunities coming out of these incubators in some of the top universities like Stanford. But what I'm really most excited about is how the due diligence has gone and the types of companies that we found and the kind of impact we've been able to have. You know, I'm sure you know, in this industry, there's a lot of people that provide the money and not a whole lot else, a lot of promises and a lot of broken promises. But this group of entrepreneurs has really done an amazing job of supporting the people that we've partnered with.
There's no comparison to the interaction provided by Prime Movers Lab versus any of the other venture capital or PE funds that I have investments in currently.
We treat our founders like customers rather than investments. And this philosophy means that we deliver on the promise that we make to our founders. The least useful thing we provide is capital.
They have been so helpful to me, both personally and professionally. I can't say enough good things. In fact, I'd like to work with them in every company. I'm already working with them in more than one company. We have 4 separate companies we're already working on together. I would work with them on every company I start for the rest of my life. That's how great they are. I can't recommend them highly enough to any entrepreneur. Any entrepreneur or CEO, if you're looking for a great partner to really help you build your business and take it to another level, Prime Movers Lab is the best firm I have ever worked with.
Humanity is facing an unprecedented opportunity to step forward into an era of global harmony, prosperity, and awakening. We are capitalizing on this unique moment in history to transform billions of lives, and we welcome everyone to join us on this journey.